Hi guys, it's Down Under Monkey, and today I'm going to make an entry into Chris Capunes' 400 subscriber giveaway. At the time of filming, Chris was on 408, I believe, and that's a milestone, mate. That's really awesome, but I really think you should be a lot higher for the amount and the quality of content you put out. You should have so many more subscribers. But anyway, hopefully that happens in the future. So your rules were, it's got to be a 6-pin lock, so that's a 6-pin. It's a pretty wild fitting up there. It's got to have security pins in it, and you've got to pick it under 5 minutes. So let's give this a go. I'm going to pick this one in hand because I don't want to destroy the finish of it in my vise. I think Murloc picked one of these for a Lotto Lock Tuesday a little while ago, but yeah, these are a bloody nice looking lock. But let's see if we can't get this picked in the time frame. Alright, so let's give it a bash. Now, I'm pretty sure, being a master lock, it's going to have spools and serrations and stuff in it. I'm pretty sure this lock might qualify, but got to get the bloody thing picked first, don't I? Really easy to overset the serrations in one of these. Okay, so we're in a small false set. Back into that false set. I think we're back there again. Don't want to lose the tension bar. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Feels like a little bit of counter on that one. Let's go back and try it again. From pin 1. No counter. Pin 2. No counter. Pin 3. No counter. Pin 4. A little bit. And there we go. Oops, don't lose it. Pin 4 was hanging me up. So yeah, as I was saying, mate, your channel is really good. The amount of content, it's a bloody on key. Yeah, mate, the content you put out is fantastic. You're always helping other people and giving us, good ideas on what we should be doing, showing us how to cut keys. Just generally having a fun time, and you can hear it in your voice. You're always happy, and Suki gets quite vocal as well about what you're doing, so you must be doing something right. Slinky obviously doesn't like to hang around too much, but what can you do? But you got a winning combination, mate. Just keep at it, because it's lots of fun. Very educational too. Alright, so this is greasy as. Let's poke this through. Okay. So hopefully these come out so you can see 6 pins. And because it's a little greasy, I'll push all these down. So you can see they all had to be peaked, and there's nothing done to the core. This is a stock standard lock. Now I've got to try and get these out because it's greased up a bit. Brand new out of the packet, so it's yeah, it's a little bit greasy. So I might take a little longer than I normally do to gut these, because the pins just will not drop out. So far all standards. Oops, nearly lost that one. Standard pin. And the last two, standard and standard. Very small pins, that's why I use this profile, because it can poke right up on those individual pins without too much trouble. Alright, let's see what's up top. Pin 1 is a spool. Whoops, pin 2 went out the back of the follower, and that was a spool. Pin 3 was a spool. Pin 4 went out the back of the follower, and that's a spool. I'll just head up to the back. Pin 5 is, pin 6 is very slightly serrated, and pin 5 is a spool as well. Nothing done to that. Stock out of the box. And the springs don't want to come out either, but you can see them all in there. They just don't want to come out. Alright. There's your pins. You can see the very light serrations on pin 6. It's just 2 lines around it. Anyway, mate, I hope that's good enough to qualify for your giveaway. It's very generous too, by the way. Nobody has to do these giveaways, but out of the goodness of your heart, you do. So keep up the good work, mate. You, Suki and Slinky, doing a great job. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next one.